Guys, in this video I will tell you how to create a site with free domain and free hosting. So first you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and let's go to start the video. You will open any browser. I will open Google Chrome and search in Infinity Infinity Free. Search in your browser Infinity Free. Here is the first site. Click on it and register. Here you put your email. I will copy my email. Paste my email and create a strong password and sign up now. A verification link has been sent to Gmail. You open your email. Here is the Infinity Free. Click on it. Here is the loading. Please click the button to match your confirm email address. Open the mail and click on verify email address. There you go. You create your new account. Create account. Click on and here is free 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains, and here is the premium plan. Starter premium $2.50, super premium $3.65, ultimate premium $6. And we will go free account, create now. Here is the captcha. Confirm the captcha. Here some taking a time. Success the captcha, and you create your domain name. So I will create my YouTube channel name Tech Savvy 99. Check availability. Available, and you see email consent. I approve. Create account and save now. And here you see open control panel, redirecting to control panel, and scroll down, click on I approve. Thanks, the panel will now load. You will wait some. cPanel is loading. Here is the cPanel. cPanel is loading. Here you see cPanel is open, and after cPanel is open, install WordPress. Here you see, scroll down and see Soft Cloud app installer. Click on it. Taking some time. We will wait. After open it, here the first site, WordPress. Install. Click on install. Here is your site, techsavvy99.rf.gd. Click on quick install and give a username. I give admin and give password. I give password admin99. After this I change install. After this video I will change the password. Here is the installing WordPress. Uninstall already exists TechSavvy. Record, please uninstall it. I will see the installation already. TechSavvy99. Search on Chrome TechSavvy99.rf.gd. Here you see our WordPress is installed. My blog, my WordPress blog. See this and open my WordPress dashboard. You remove any alphabet on site name and type /wp admin. Enter. And admin dashboard login is now opening. I give the username admin is TechSavvy99. Admin99. Here you see our free site is ready, free domain and free hosting. And there I will any changes on my site. Now I change the theme. This is not attractive. I will change this theme. Now go appearance, themes. Wait some, then loading the themes. So guys, new members, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Here you see themes. Click on add new theme. Wait some time. There is first time install WordPress, it taking some times, and after second and third time it open smoothly. Here you see all the themes are available. I will click on Ocean WP installing, and you just upload any themes on your laptop PC, upload themes, and you will upload here your theme. Install and activate, and I refresh my site. Here you see the themes are successfully installed, and you see here is the theme and his look. He look, I create home pages, then see this. After creating page post, then see this. In the next video I will teach you how to create full site on WordPress. So wait for the next video. Okay, goodbye for the next.